Okay, now we're going to show the installation of the RandR target stock adapter. Okay, so first thing we've got to do, since this tang is so low, is we need to remove it. Because the RandR stock adapter actually raises up and puts the buffer tube in line with the barrel. So you'll come through and you'll saw it off with a hacksaw or a power saw, but come right through here and saw this off. And then once that's done, it'll look like this. You want to get fairly close to it so you're not grinding off a bunch of extra metal. But once that's done, then you're going to come through and you're going to take a belt sander or a grinder, and you're going to make this perfectly flat across here so that this tip right here is the same height all the way across. So basically, you're going from this to this. Okay? Now, when that is done, your stock adapter will slide in here and be flush.